Hello friends, welcome to another video of Explore World. In this video, we will discuss about the unsolved mysteries and facts about the Bermuda Triangle. So let's get started. The Bermuda Triangle is located off the southeastern coast of USA in the Atlantic Ocean between Bermuda, Florida and Puerto Rico. The region has become the center of unresolved mysteries. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle or Hurricane Alley, is a loosely defined region in the western part of North Atlantic Ocean where a number of aircrafts and ships are said to have disappeared under mysterious circumstances. Now we will discuss about the area of the Bermuda Triangle. Some writers give defined boundaries and vertices to the triangle, but it is believed that the Bermuda Triangle covers an area of 440,000 miles of sea. Bermuda Triangle is a part of a busy shipping route in the whole world. The term Bermuda Triangle was first used by Vincent Gaddis in 1964 in his article. There are a lot of mysteries regarding the Bermuda Triangle. In this video, we will discuss about some of them. The story and the mysteries of Bermuda Triangle begins in the time of Christopher Columbus when he reportedly saw a flame of fire crashing into the sea in the triangle during his first voyage to the New World. Now we will discuss about the mystery of the Flight 19. Flight 19 was the designation of a group of 5 Grumman TBM Avenger, which is an American torpedo bomber that disappeared over the Bermuda Triangle on December 5, 1945 after losing contact with the United States Navy overwater navigation training flight. The aircraft, with all 14 airmen including 13 crew members, were lost completely without a single trace. The flight's leader, Lieutenant Charles Carroll Taylor, became suspicious when his compass failed and he believed that the plane was moving in a wrong direction. According to the official US report, the last thing recorded in the communication by Flight 19 passengers was very strange and frightening. The last ever recorded thing was everything looks strange, even the ocean. The US government has sent many flights to determine the exact cause of the loss of Flight 19, but they could not find anything. Now we will discuss about the mystery of the flight DC-3. In 1948, a DC-3 commercial flight vanished over the triangle with 29 passengers and 2 crew members headed towards Miami. When it was only 50 miles south of Florida, it sent the last message to indicate its position. Only 20 minutes after takeoff, the flight was never seen or heard after again. It disappeared in the Bermuda Triangle with all its 28 passengers and 3 crew members. This was the first instance of DC-3 aircraft disappearing. There were subsequently 2 more such cases. All of them happened within 50 miles of Florida Keys. The Keys is a string of small islands just south of Florida. Now we will discuss about the mystery of Cotopaxi. The SS Cotopaxi was an emergency fleet corporation which was set sail from Charleston, South Carolina to Havana on 29 November 1925. The ship was carrying 32 passengers and the ship vanished on its way near the Bermuda Triangle. No bodies have been recovered and what happened was still unknown. After 95 years of the shipwreck, marine biologist Michael Burnett identified the remains of the ship. A team of shipwreck hunters has finally identified the battered boat's remains off the coast of St. Augustine, Florida. Scientists are still amazed that nearly after a century the ship has found, and they're confused about the mystery of Bermuda Triangle. Now I will discuss about the most popular beliefs and theories regarding the Bermuda Triangle. Many people believe that there are pockets of explosive methane gas near the region of Bermuda Triangle which cause the water to be less dense than the ship, leading the ship to sink. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration said that the area near Bermuda Triangle is prone to accidents because of the Gulf Stream, which is a strong and fast ocean current that causes violent change in weather and shallow water, which is the cause of shipwreck. Between the North Pole and the North Magnetic Pole, an imaginary line passes through the Bermuda Triangle, which might be the reason for the magnetic failure of a compass. Many people believe that the Bermuda Triangle is a link to the other world or a time portal to another dimension. Some people conclude that aliens might exist in the Bermuda Triangle, which is the cause of unnatural phenomenon of nature, but there is no scientific explanations and theories regarding the mystery. So friends, it is all for today. If you like the video, press the like button, share the video with your family and friends, and subscribe our YouTube channel Explore World and press the bell icon to never miss any update from our channel.